Hey everyone, so in this video we will discuss that how gold reacts with Aqua Regia. So generally gold is highly unreactive. It doesn't tarnish or corrode easily. But there is one mixture that can dissolve it, and that's called Aqua Regia. It is also called as royal water. So Aqua Regia is made by mixing 1 part of concentrated nitric acid and 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid. So generally the ratio of concentrated, here we will use concentrated acid, here also we will use concentrated acid. So the ratio of the composition of Aqua Regia is 1:3 of concentrated nitric acid to concentrated hydrochloric acid. So this is the composition of Aqua Regia. So we will see how the reaction proceeds. So we know that nitric acid is a strong oxidizer. Okay, so it is a strong oxidizer, means strong oxidizing agent. I have written it OA. So it oxidizes solid AU, means that is gold, and it oxidizes AU, that is in the solid nature, okay, to AU3 plus ions, means its oxidation number is increased, and there is release of nitrogen monoxide gas. It evolves in the reaction. Okay, this point you have to remember. So generally if I write the mechanism, so here is the mechanism, that AU is oxidized to AU3 plus and giving out 3 electrons, and there is reduction of nitric acid reduction. Okay, so how? So NO3 minus plus 4H plus 3 electrons give out, so there is release of nitrogen monoxide gas, and there is also release of 2 water molecules. Okay, so if I write the overall half reaction, so this is the overall half reaction that occurs. Okay, so next reaction, that will be complexation of chloride ions. Okay, so there is next step, that is complexation of chloride ions. So now the hydrochloric acid that provide a large number of Cl minus ions, and these ions will stabilize AU3 plus by forming coordination complex. Let's see that. So here is our AU3 plus ions, and we will take 4 Cl minus ions, and it will give us Cl4 coordination complex, AuCl4 whole minus coordination complex. This is a coordination complex, and the Cl minus we get from the hydrochloric acid. Okay, now this coordination complex of AuCl4 whole minus will react with our H plus, and it will form our HAuCl4, that is in the aqueous state. Okay, this part you have to remember, very important. Now I will write the final reaction that occurs. So this is the final overall reaction that becomes this. Okay, so we have taken the gold solid part. Okay, then when it reacts with HNO3 and 4HCl, it forms a complex like this. Okay, and release of NO gas also there, and we get 2 molecules of water. We get 2 molecules of water. But one thing you have to remember, that NO quickly, okay, it quickly oxidizes, okay, quickly oxidizes into NO2 gas, okay, in air, and there is a brown color fumes you can see. As you know that this is the conformation test of NO2 gas. So here is the end of the mechanism. So I can say that Aqua Regia dissolves gold through a two-step mechanism. First is our oxidation by nitric acid, and another is complexation of chloride ions. That's why it is called royal water. It conquers even the king of the metals that are non-reactive. So hope you understand this video clearly. Meet you next in the next video. Thank you everyone.